Alright, so first of all, I'll delete the camera and the light, and then after that just SY using this for this cube. So by the way, this is I just using some voiceover, and then this video are already made. So you can see how it look. I made some living room, and then which is some hallway connecting to the park, which is the just only the like the big park. And then here I just add another wall for the left wall, and then I just make some hole for the door, and then just connect it like by clicking F on every side of this single vertex. And then after that, just add another cube by clicking Shift D, and then just after that SY for make it this looks big. And then after that, just make it this one looks bigger because this is really looks small. So I just edit this one, and then just grab it to the right side. And now add some boolean just by go into the add modifier, and then you can find a boolean. And after that, just choose the object that you want to make some hole and will be looks like that. Alright, in here I just add another cube, which is I don't know, I think I just make it this for this hole, for make it this cover hole, and then so no light from behind. And after that, just add some camera and another screen before the right side. And as you can see, we have another screen, and I just grab it up for the wall because this is really very close into the floor, and it's really not good. So here I just block this because I have a few projects that I have to finish with my client. And also here I just add some new cube, and we will make some window, and just grab it into the right side and make it this in the middle of this wall. So sorry, on this object, so we can make it some wall. And then after that, just go into add modifier and boolean. After that, just click apply. That's all, and we'll be done. All right, and after that, just go here and go down. We can add some settings, but before that, I will add some settings for the glass. And here, choose crimson and burley, and for the metallic, just bring up into the 80, and after that, bring down the roughness into the 0.2, and for the alpha down below, just using 0.1. That's all, and will be looks like that. As you see here, this is didn't have some settings for the light. And here I just duplicate this wall. For the door wall, I'm using Alt D, because if you are using Shift D, you didn't have I mean like this, like if you are using Alt D, you can edit just one object, and then few object will be follow the first object that you edit. But if you just using Shift D, so you just using the you can only edit the original, which is another object will not follow this original object. That's all. All right, here I just add some wall for the outside, which is will be looks better, different than yeah like this. And here we have something looks beautiful. Beautiful, like just some framework of the architecture design. And here I just try to delete this side, and then like that. And as you see, I really like the shadow and then the light here. All right, if you want to have some color hacks looks like that before, you can have it on Adobe's Adobe Hacks, which is it's free, so you don't have to pay for that. Just write it on Google, and then you can find it adobehacks.com. That's all. It's really helping so much for your artwork, while you can make it some palettes. And here I just using some cylinder, which is I just added for make some bamboo texture, and we'll add some bamboo texture. All right, here it looks different and better than before. And here I just add another cube for making some steps. All right, just you see this is not really good before, but now just using some bevel. After that, go to preset and then choose steps. And as you see, this is just like that. It's really easy to make it. But I'm sorry, maybe this is really too fast to make this thing. But I hope you understand about this. All right, here I'm using a Blender kit. You can try to find it on Google, but maybe if I didn't forget, I will add some Blender kit link on the description. All right, now here we have some two palm tree, which is this is will be added for our small play some place for space something like that. What I said, I mean this is will be added for the like statue or maybe some object, but here I have some idea. I will just using some icosphere, and then so just go down for make this looks like that. All right, it looks good, and then it looks different. All right, here just duplicate the palm tree, and then we have something like silhouette from this palm tree inside into like direct into inside the house, so will be looks like that before. And because this is when we are using a viewport and while have some palm tree, this is will be like to the computer will be a little bit complicated to use it because we are using a lot of particle. But here I just hiding first because I'm using a laptop here. And but yeah, this is looks like this. And now as you see, I just add some cube, and this one will be just for the small wall for behind the wall, and then under the bamboo for this like that. And why I make this one, because I want to make some ambience looks like from the outside for the shadows, for the light will be looks different and good. And here we have some icosphere. So just using this, and this is just looks like some ball, and just one ball. Yep, just one, not two. And don't think about that, by the way. Let's get continue to this make something interesting like this. So here I just duplicate the icosphere. Sorry, yep, the icosphere. Is it icosphere? No, cylinder. Sorry for that. I just duplicate the cylinder and then grab it back here into the ball, and after that just duplicate, and then after that just resize it, make it the small cylinder for make it this looks better and good. All right, now we can see this is for the light. Wow, it looks beautiful, right? And now we can add some. We will using some gold for this one. All right, this is will be some wood, and also I have it on my texture. All right, here if you want to have some color palette like that, you can go into adobehacks.com. It's free and you can use it every day, everywhere. Oh, it's it's noise. All right, and then just choose the color that you really like for the wall color. And as you see, now we can move into the floor. And you can see here for the floor, you can click U and then you can find cube projection. Because different which is, it's a different using, and then we add some plan. This plan asset from Blender Kit also. And I just downloaded from Blender Kit. And for this chair, I have it from Blender kit too. So just write on the Blender kit armchair and then you can find it here. Find it like something like that. And also for this plant, for this palm tree, small palm tree, I have it from Blender kit. That's why. But for this one, for the monster in my country, it's called monster. And then here I have it from Chiji Trader, I think the website name. Yep, this is really good. I really like it, and also for the texture. All right, here for the steps, I just using the same wood as the window, and then as you see, it's just easy to add something like that. All right, here I just add some another cube because I want to make some frame for my picture, and then just separate this one by clicking V on keyboard, and then after that just choose the color for the wood. All right, just click this one for the color. And so by the way, if you want to know about the chair, this chair made by Eduardo Baroni, and then he is really beautiful. He have a beautiful art, and then yeah, I really like his art so much. But his model on the chair, it's really beautiful and looks minimalist. Like, wow, it's really amazing for me. So that's why I really like his art. Right here, I just add some color into this single ball and just using pink color. Yeah, pink color. And but for for this one, I just using gold. Oh, come on, don't think about that. And here for this cube, just using white, which is the original. And yeah, like that. So tutorial for today, it's done. If you want to have file exactly like this, you can go to my Patreon, patreon.com/Jorza, or you can find it on gumroad.com/studiojorza, or you can click link on description. Also, if you want to find some inspiration about 3D art, graphic design, and so on my website, seehere.eu. So, by the way, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry if the video it's very fast because if I didn't make it this time lapse, this video will be taking I think around 2 hours. 2 hours, I think less than 2 hours. So that's why I'm doing some time lapse and then I'm doing some voiceover. So I'm just doing some voiceover. And so yeah, if you want to have file exactly like this, you can join to be my patreon.com/Jorza, or you can try to find it on gumroad.com/studiojorza. And also, if you want to buy my free art, you can click link on the description. Thank you so much for watching. Jorza here. Thank you so much. And see you on the next video. Ciao.